The most important step in building a house is the type of property you choose. It's the foundation going forward. Hi, I'm Price Keever, Vice President of Lone Star Land Partners, and I'd like to welcome you to Ledgestone Ranch. Climb in, let me show you around this beautiful ranch. The properties out here are going to range from 5 to 15 acres in size. It's a buy now, build ready program for you, so you can come out, secure your property, and build something when you're ready. Ledgestone Ranch has multiple hilltops all over the project with 20-mile views looking every direction. Gives you lots of opportunity to place your house exactly where you want it. The build sites are flat, easy to build on. We're going to be running utilities out here for you, water, electricity. Another nice amenity out here is we'll have a gated entrance for you, so there won't be a lot of traffic in and out of the community. The project is located just outside of Brownwood. And you know what they say about real estate, location, location, location. Here you're 10 minutes from everything. All the shopping at Brownwood has to offer, restaurants, there's a hospital in town. Out here at Ledgestone Ranch, you have a lower cost of living, but you don't sacrifice the amenities like people normally do when they move to the country. There's lots of recreation to do in this area. The hunting's fantastic. You have Lake Brownwood, Lake Proctor's not too far from here. It's absolutely stunning out here at night. We came out here a few weeks ago and really enjoyed the night sky. It seems like you were just a fingertip away from the stars, and there was tons of them. There's all kind of wildlife on the ranch. We saw some deer this morning, some doves. We also saw a flock of turkeys in an oak grove. There's 6 or 8 ponds spread out all over the ranch to keep the wildlife watered. It's like a wildlife sanctuary out here. We at National Land Partners know that customers have a lot of options when it comes to buying a piece of acreage property. What's important to our customers is we do all the homework for you. The property you're buying is clean and doesn't have any environmental hazards. There's adequate water on the property. We make sure that we're following the guidelines set by the county and the state. There's a lot of companies out there that shortcut on stuff like that. At National Land Partners, we want to take the extra steps necessary to make you feel totally comfortable with the property that you're buying. We maintain good relationships with our customers. A lot of our customers, this is their first time to do a buy and build when they're ready program. So they always have questions, and we're always there to help them, even after the sale. That's why the majority of our business is either referral or customers coming out to buy a second lot. If you treat people right, they refer their friends, their family, and they will also trust you in the future with another purchase. The best way to look at a piece of property is to come out and take a look for yourself, so you can see the surrounding area, you can see the property itself, and you can pick out the perfect home site for you. This is a huge decision for our customers. The property is the foundation for their life going forward. The most important step is the type of property you choose that best fits your needs. One of my experienced team members would love to take you out and show you this beautiful property. Call for your personal tour. You're going to love it out here at Ledgestone Ranch.